In this video, we are going to show you the most usable and amazing computer tips and tricks that will make your daily life easier. The first tip is dark mode. There are times when you are working at night and you want to relax your eyes. For this purpose, you can enable dark mode. To do this, search dark mode in search bar and click on the best match. Here you can see that our system color is selected as light. You can select dark, then everything will be in dark mode. Or we can select custom. Custom allows you to mix light and dark according to your preference. In custom, you can select light or dark mode for default Windows mode and then select light or dark mode for Windows apps. If you select the dark mode, then everything will be represented in dark mode and all Windows apps will respect dark mode setting and they will also appear in dark mode. Most of the browsers and external software also respect Windows dark mode setting and they will also appear in dark mode. You can also change the color of the app. Right now we have selected green, but you can select any other color. If you select blue, then all apps will appear in blue, and if you click on red, then they will start appearing in red. The next tip is very amazing and enjoyable. Let's suppose you are chatting with someone using a PC and you want to describe your emotions and feelings using emojis. Normally we use an emoji button available on mobile phones, but how will this be done on PC? To do this, press Windows plus semicolon button and the emoji tab will open. Here are some emojis that I have used recently, but as you can see, there are a lot of emojis option available. The next tip is very important. Sometimes we are working on an important task and Windows start updating automatically and we get disturbed and it takes so much time to update and restart. To avoid this disturbance, search Windows Update and click on Best Match. Here you can change the Windows Update settings according to what you need. You can pause updates for 7 days, change active hours, view update history, and advanced options for more settings. Did you know that you can copy and paste multiple items at the same time? Normally we use Ctrl plus C to copy and Ctrl plus V to paste. Everyone knows it and everyone uses it. But we can copy multiple texts at the same time. To do this, press the Windows key plus V and the clipboard will open. You can pin the important text that you want to use multiple times, delete any text or clear all the text. If you press Windows plus V for the first time, then it will ask you to enable this option. Once you enable it, you can start using it. The most useful feature of Windows is with the calculator. Windows calculator has many advanced features. Let us show all of these. Search calculator in search bar and click on best match. If you are doing work and you want the calculator to stay on top, you can pin it by clicking on this icon and it will remain on top. You can see if we click on another window, it is still staying on top. Besides this, there are many amazing features. If we click on this icon, we can convert this simple calculator to standard calculator, scientific calculator, programmer, and data calculation. You can see that there are also different converters. You can convert currency, volume, length, weight and mass, temperature, energy, area, speed, and many more. For example, if we want to convert the speed, here you can see that there are different speed options available to convert. And when I enter 100 km per hour, then it will convert to 62.14 miles per hour. The next tip is with WordPad. Windows come with a free rich text editor feature called WordPad. To open WordPad, search WordPad in search bar and click on Best Match. You can select the font size, align the paragraph, bold, underline, and many more. The only missing feature in WordPad is spell checker. But you can add an extension called Tiny Spell that will help you to correct the spellings. If you want to use free text editor, then WordPad is the best option for you. The next tip is with the magnifier and reads aloud. To open this, press Windows ++ key and it will open the magnifier. As you can see that we can magnify by clicking on this button. It also reads the text aloud. If we click on this button, then it will start reading the text. Let's check this out.
Magnifier and read aloud Windows logo and plus.
So if you want to read the text out loud on any browser, any website or any text editor, then this is the best option. The next tip is with Quick Assist. If you have a family member or a friend who needs your help to fix their problem related to a computer and they live far away, then it is very difficult to help them on phone or go to their home to fix the problem. So what can you do? You can use Quick Assistance to avoid this issue and solve the problem. Search Quick Assist and click on the best match. If Quick Assist is not installed, then you can install it by going to the Microsoft Store, or if it is asking for an update, then you can simply update it. After installing or updating, click on Open. This application requires the WebView 2 runtime to work. If it is not installed, then you can simply install it, open the browser, search WebView 2 runtime in search bar, click on the first link, click on this download button, again click on this download button, click on accept and download, and the download will begin. Install it. After installing, you can open and use the Quick Assist app. You can get assistance and assist by using this app. If you want to assist, then you will need to enter the person's email and Microsoft will send a code. After entering the code here, you can assist the person. The last tip of this video is with the startup apps. When you turn on your PC, many apps start automatically. To stop them from starting automatically, search Startup, click on the best match. Here you can see which apps will automatically start. You can also see their impact. Some have high impact, some have medium impact, some have low impact. You can toggle it on and off